I like digging a hole, digging a hole. Digging a hole, digging a hole. We all love to dig our holes. Gonna add a jelly bean now. Yeah, jelly bean in my hole, jelly bean in my hole. La 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 la. Tap tap tap. La la la. Digging a hole. Digging, digging, digging a hole. Oh, sorry. Got dirt on you, fella. Dirt in the face. Digging a hole. Digging a hole in dirt in the face. La 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 la. Oh, hey, worm. How you doing there, buddy? Look at you, all wormy. Yeah. Oh, you're so cute. Here, just let me give you a love tap. Oh, no. Oh, no. I think I killed him. Oh, no, Stuffy, what am I going to do? Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh.
What is that? Is that a wee lass or a lad? Crying?
No.
Where's it coming from? Oh no, I have to help.
Oh no.
Oh yep, you got a dead worm on your hand, boy. He's as dead as Lindsay Lohan's career. I'll be over there in 2 shakes of a lamb's tail to help you out. Yep, he's dead all right. You killed him just like Jack the Ripper. I got him a casket and everything for you. How do you like that?
I love it. Thank you. I don't know what to say.
You can't say much there. You daft.
Yeah.
Well, let's start the funeral. You ready?
Yep.
You gonna say something?
I don't know. This is my first funeral.
What? You've never been to a funeral before? Oh, let me do it then. We don't have all day.
Oh.
Well, although we didn't know you, Wormy, you seem like you're a really nice invertebrate animal. Philip is sorry he killed you. It meant no harm. But because you're weak and soft, and his gentle tap was like a sledgehammer to the forehead, well, wherever you are, be it heaven, hell, the cold darkness between time and space, or maybe even reincarnated into one of those people who eventually will cut me off in traffic. Or perhaps you just woke up to find yourself attached to a supercomputer and all this is an alien experiment. Regardless, say hi to Elvis for me.
Yep, and sorry and thank you for being a worm.
At funerals, they usually play music as they ship them off. So I'll get my cassette player and play us a tune.
State my case
Sleep well, my friend. Sleep well. Ugh. There, he's dead and buried.
All right, lad. Why don't we come over to my house? We'll chat about Wormy and have a nice wake for him. What do you think?
All right, sounds good. Let's go.
You can have some grape drink. I'll have the stuff that'll cross your eyes.
Thank you.
Whoa, don't drink yet. We still have to give him a Scottish send-off.
Okay.
You know what, Phil? We gave that worm a better funeral than my wife got.
Really?
Nah, she's still alive, but don't tell her I said that. Hey.
It's not every day you get to attend a worm funeral, right, Mr. Neighbor?
I guess. And it's not every day you get to drink on an early Monday morning. So cheers to that.
To Wormy!
To Wormy!
I didn't do it! It was the one-armed man!
I'm not wasting a perfectly good cigar box on a worm. Oh. You say one word and you'll be next in the ground. Keep it to yourself.